Imagine accessing one website that gives you instant access to over 400 courses to choose from digital marketing, social media, and branding, to affiliate marketing, web design, Canva, dropshipping, Amazon publishing, social media marketing, email marketing, mastering hooks, and even AI-powered strategies like ChatGPT monetization. These courses are updated, relevant, and designed to help you do one thing: grow your business or become the most in-demand freelancer in your space. Now, let's be real for a second. Most online courses are expensive, they teach one skill, and half the time, they're filled with fluff. But this bundle, you're getting access to a full library of self-paced, practical, and beginner-friendly video tutorials, all in one place. Each course is broken down step by step, no guesswork, no tech overwhelm, no endless YouTube rabbit holes. You can log in anytime, watch at your own pace, and start implementing immediately. Whether you're starting from scratch or you're ready to scale your business to consistent income, this bundle was built for you. Imagine this: you wake up, open your laptop, and instead of feeling stuck or overwhelmed, you know exactly what skill to focus on. You watch a 10-minute lesson, you implement it that same day, and suddenly you're not just consuming information, you're building real momentum. So who is this for? New freelancers who want to start earning online, small business owners who want to improve their visibility, leads, and sales, side hustlers who want to build digital income streams without starting from scratch, anyone tired of guessing and piecing things together. And here's the wild part: you're getting 400 plus courses for less than the cost of a single workshop. The link is at the description below.